Hello everyone, welcome to your Gajab Psychologist. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe at your places. My name is Gajab and I am really thrilled and excited to have you all here. And I'm little nervous too as I'm shooting my first YouTube video. But it's completely alright. I know you all are with me. In today's video, I will be introducing myself and I will be telling you about the channel, what this channel is all about. So let's start the video. 1, 2, 3, 4. So firstly, let's talk a little bit about my educational background. So in 11th, I opted for humanities and I particularly like pol science, history, and that's why I opted for humanities. And in that particular year only, when I was in 11th, our school had introduced the subject psychology, which was completely new to me. I wasn't even aware कि इसमें क्या पढ़ाएंगे, क्या होगा, so scoring भी होगा या नहीं, क्योंकि you all know कि in 12th what matters to you the most is your percentage, क्योंकि relatives के ताने तो फिर है ही, तो स्कोरिंग होगा या नहीं होगा, इस चक्कर में आई ड्रॉप दिस सब्जेक्ट एंड आई took pol science. There were some students in my class who opted psychology and they were conducting some researches and experiments and tests and they were looking for the participants. So मैं एक दो बार उनके researches में experiments में मैंने participate किया और वहीं से एक स्पार्क, एक क्यूरियोसिटी हुई कि मुझे पढ़ना है इस सब्जेक्ट में, है क्या और क्या पढ़ाते हैं और क्या, मतलब रियली में जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं वो दूसरों का माइंड रीड कर लेते हैं और बता देते हैं कि आपके मन में भी क्या चल रहा है, जो उनकी बहुत बड़ा मिथ है और जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग है. सो आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग माई 12th आई हैड दिस थिंग क्लियर इन माई माइंड दैट आई वॉन्ट टू स्टडी साइकोलॉजी एंड देन इन माई ग्रेजुएशन आई हैड studied two major disciplines. One was psychology and the another one was HDFE, human development and family empowerment, which is more related to developmental psychology or lifespan development. So I had studied these two major disciplines and I did my graduation from Delhi University and the Prastha College for Women, which is in civil lines, and it's not IPU University, it's IP College. So people might get confused with the word IP. So I did my graduation from IP College and I had studied two major disciplines. So if I talk about IP, then IP की faculty was amazing and the IP की beauty, तो IP famous ही अपनी beauty के लिए है, अपने gardens के लिए है, and it's an off campus college or it's a girls college. So after completing my graduation, I did give a PG entrance test for Christ University. I applied for Christ Delhi NCR campus in the course MSc Clinical Psychology and luckily I got selected at Christ University in the course MSc Clinical Psychology. In order to get admission at Christ University, you need to clear 3 rounds or 3 levels. So one is entrance test, then second is interview round, and the third is micro presentation round. So I had cleared all these 3 levels and finally got selected at Delhi NCR campus. And I also belong to Delhi, so थोड़ा सा connectivity में रहता है, यू फील गुड कि आप घर से मतलब थोड़ा क्लोज हो और अपने ही स्टेट में हो. सो दैट्स वाई आई हैव चूजन दिल्ली NCR campus. So this is all about my educational journey from being a political science student to a psychology student right now, and I'm still at my learning phase and still exploring the fascinating world of psychology. So now let's talk about the content you can expect from your Gajab Psychologist. So I'm your psychologist here and I'm here to cater all your needs. We'll be covering wide range of topics related to the field psychology. We'll be talking about various teachings, learnings, and we're doing various discussions, and then behavior pattern, relationship dynamics, parenting, and each and every topic related to the field psychology. And I do provide 1-to-1 mentorship sessions and guidance. So if you want, you can DM me, you can always DM me, and I will be dropping all my social media handles in the description box. If you have any doubt related to the field psychology कि कैसे करना है, कहाँ से शुरू करें और कुछ भी है, तो you can always DM me. I'm always there for you, I'm always available, and my goal is to just make psychology accessible to each and every one of you, whether you have already background in this field or you are completely new to it. So my goal is just to make a space, inclusive space, where we all can come together and talk about the mental health stigma, and we just give importance to the mental health and not only the physical health. The tagline of our channel is exploring mind, transforming lives. So I just want this channel to be a inclusive space where we all can come together and can discuss our thoughts, emotions, feelings, and just be free from the outside world, and just give importance and just pay emphasis on our mental health, right? So I just want to create that space. So let's come together and create a safe space, safe community for all of us, and I'm always there for you. So you can always reach out to me if you have any queries related to the field psychology, or if you have any other issues. I'm always there. I will definitely try to answer each and every one of you. So let's create a space where we all can learn from each other and can grow together. So with this we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much all for joining me on this exciting journey of exploring the world of psychology, and make sure to subscribe to your Gajab Psychologist, and do hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. And I can't wait to connect to all of you, and remember, together we'll unlock the door to a more happier life, more fulfilling, more engaging life, and together we'll also have to unlock the mysteries of our mind. So bye bye everyone, take care, see you soon, bye.